guys. Ayan o, wala.
So this one is, pag ganito is
bougainvillea. Sir, ano ang pangalan nito? Ang ganda ng kulay nito. Ayan o, ito variegated yung... Hi guys! So I'm back here in Cebu and meron kaming free day. Actually, I'm here to accompany my mom. Kanilang batch reunion dito sa Cebu. So, ito at meron akong free time today to go to Sir Haim Machuwa's garden. Yes, guys. And I'm gonna share with you some photos and some videos of the plants. Hindi ko alam kung ano matitatnan natin doon. So, alam ko maraming bago. So, I'll share some videos and see you later. Ayun guys, so finally we're here. Nandito na kami sa Busay, in Cebu guys. In Sir Haim Machuwa's garden. Ayan, grabe. Ang ganda pa dito oh. Pwede akong pumunta dyan mamaya. Ayan, so we'll go around and we'll share with you more videos pa of the beautiful plants. At ito ang mga bagong highlight niya dito sa garden, yung kanyang collection of bougainvillea. Grabe.
This is one of the newer varieties.
Guys, ito yung makikita ang different varieties of bougainvillea. Sir, ano ang pangalan nito? Ang ganda ng kulay nito. Ayan, ito variegated yung kanyang ano oh. Variegated Brisa Red. So parang yung isa kanina, pero ito yung flower kasi niya nito is
new mutation. Galing sa Brisa, naging variegated.
Pero dito na siya nag-mutate? Or dun sa pinagkuhaan nyo ng...
sa pinagkuhaan namin. Sa friend namin.
Wow. From anong country? Dito lang din? Wow.
So this is new.
This is new.
This is also new. Golden Bandaw.
Oh, guys, look at that. Alin? Ay, ito parang
Golden
siya
Bandaw.
oh. Para siyang bonsai.
Yung dahon niya is golden.
Yung dahon niya is golden. This is called
Golden Bandaw.
Golden Bandaw.
It's also a new variety.
This is also a new variety. Ayun guys. Grabe. You see a
Jinda
white
yellow.
Jinda yellow. Jinda yellow. Ayun guys, that's called Jinda yellow.
There's two types. Like this one is grafted.
Is grafted. Ito, ayan, yan.
So may graft oh.
Tapos
yung iba is rooted. This one is rooted.
Ayan,
So it's
ito.
from diretso.
So diniretso siya sa ano? Pero paano siya pinopropagate? Parang
Cuttings.
Cutting lang, hindi kailangan pa ugatin bago mag
Yung cutting paugatin tapos mamulaklak.
Pero anong nilalagay dun sa ano?
Rooting hormone.
Rooting hormone lang. Grabe.
So this one is pag ganito is cuttings.
So pag ganyan, cuttings yan.
Pag ganyan
obviously.
is grafted. This one is grafted.
So may iba't ibang paraan, no? So,
Dalawang paraan.
So you can
So
graft
grafted,
it.
you can put 2-3 colors.
Kaya yung iba, makikita nyo may mga
tatlong
iba't
kulay.
ibang kulay. Kasi nag-ginraft nila, no?
Iba-iba. Ito, mga original. So one color lang ito.
Wow. Grabe. Ito. This is from Taiwan.
White Panther,
White Panther, Taiwan. Oh. Ito, wala pang... Oh, grabe. Iba rin to, oh.
This one is...
wala pa siyang dahon.
this is
Ay, sorry.
dahon,
Wala pa
may
siyang
flower. Meron here.
bulaklak. Ang bulaklak niya, ang flower niya will be
This one.
pink. No? Where is that? This one.
This one is It's called 21 Jewel, golden.
Golden 21 jewel.
Pag 21 Jewel, yung maliit ng bulaklak.
Oo, nga, ang liit niya, ano. Ito pa lang, dahon pa lang, maganda na eh, oh. No? Wow. Grabe. Ito rin, oh.
So, last time wala pang, when you came, konti pa lang yung bougainvillea.
Oo, parang doon sa area na
doon sa
yun eh,
labas.
wala dito eh, oo. Ngayon, ito na ang ano,
Pina-convert yun.
star of the
Greenhouse.
greenhouse. Oo, walang bougainvillea dito last
Dati
time.
puro philodendron.
Yes.
Pinaisa up na lang yung philodendron kasi konti lang mabenta.
Pang flower, yan na bougainvillea. Leaf pa lang niya. Ang ganda na. Look! Nice!
Mamatay na yung Roma.
Look at this. Ano to? Anong pangalan nito? Ang ganda.
Roma, dili.
Grabe. Ang ganda. Look at that. Mga bonsai nila na.